Hello, everybody. Welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about Formula Evaluator Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're going to set up inside your agency and execute actions directly from a workflow. Let me show you how to set it up. We come down here at the app marketplace. Search for the app, evaluate. There you go. You go at install and you select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. So let's go for sub account one. Continue. You come down here at allow install. You can decide whether you go for the monthly plan or the yearly plan. So you select, confirm. So you can see it's written, please copy this custom menu link to your agency account. So you make sure you copy this, you click on it, and you make sure it's copied, and then you switch back to the agency view. At your agency view, you come down here at settings in order to create the custom menu link, and you go on create new. But remember, this is actually one-time action. What does that mean? It means that if you guys are installing one of our apps for your first time, you have to create the custom menu link where all the apps that you guys are going to be installing will be available. But once you do it for the first time, you won't have to do it anymore. You have to fill this form. You can click to select the icon for your custom menu link. As you can see, we have a lot of icons here that you can select. Once you're done, you come here. You can type a name here, how you decide to name your custom menu link here. And here you paste the custom menu link that you copied from the app. You come down here, you select the account where you want your custom menu link to be created. For example, sub account one, and we decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. We're gonna check it after. You can decide whether you want all the users to access all the information or just the admin or a particular user. So when you're done, you make sure you save. The next step is to switch to the sub account. So we have sub account one. You scroll down and you go and search for the custom menu link. You can see we have great apps here. So if you guys decided to name your my tools, for example, make sure you have my tools here. Let's go on Great Apps. There you go. We have apps available and connected apps. We're going to search for the app formula. It means the formula is already connected. But for you guys doing this process for the first time, remember the app is going to be available here at apps available. Let's go on connected apps. There you go. We have connected app. In order to connect the app, you just have to go on it and you have the information required, which is to provide just your email address. You type your email address and after the submission, you guys are ready to go. It means that you guys are now able to execute actions directly from the raw. Guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7 to answer to all inquiries. Thank you for watching this video, guys.